Hey HEXO traders and investors, it's Rod with Power Group. Welcome back in the Pursuit of Wealth for a HEXO update video. In this video, I'm going to go over my plan leading into earnings, which are before market open on Monday, so June 14th, and expect many updates from me on June 14th as well. Before we jump into this video, just want to do a quick shout out to the HEXO Plus Investors Group. This is a group I'm a part of and a group that I manage as well. So I highly encourage you to go check this out. It's free. There's absolutely nothing to lose. So we'll jump right into today's content. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. So going to go over just a quick video, about 5 minutes or so on my plan. So we are expecting in terms of revenue 34.47 million. And in terms of EPS, negative 0.0573, which is the consensus. We did see that Desjardins came in with a revenue estimate of 36, so they're expecting a beat in terms of revenue, but they did come in slightly lower in terms of EBITDA, so they were expecting a miss there from consensus. And EPS, I'm going to be watching. It's going to be extremely interesting to see what those numbers come in at. I'm not expecting positive EPS, just to, full disclosure, but I am expecting an improvement. Whether or not we beat these numbers and these forecasts, that would be great, but I just want to see a much better improvement from the negative 0.17 from the prior quarter. So moving on, HEXO also has, and the fact that they're presenting in the morning is good on a Monday, right, to begin the week. And they also have these conferences just soon after. So on Tuesday, the day after, they have the Oppenheimer Consumer Growth and E-commerce Conference, so you can register for that. And then on Wednesday, June 16th, the Cantor Fitzgerald Virtual Canadian LP Cannabis Forum. So make sure to check that out as well. But moving on, I also did a video today. They had an interview on Business of MJ. Sebastian St. Louis, CEO HEXO, was on there and did a great interview. So I did a video and posted that. Go check that out as well. But jumping right into the chart. So we're in this tightening pattern here on the weekly with the low, high, higher, low, double top. And what I'm going to be looking for is a close above EMA 12 to end the week here at 650. So a close over 650 is bullish. That would also put us over the 100 weekly moving average, which we would have back tested and held, which would kind of give us, that green light to go up into next week. So we'll be watching that very closely. Personally, I'm very heavy on HEXO at the moment. If we do close below 650, I am going to trim probably close to 20% of my swing position. And I also want to see us close over the 10-week moving average, which is at 641. So again, if we close underneath 641, I'm likely going to trim about 25% of what I'm holding in my swing account. But I'm liking what I'm seeing at the moment. On the daily time frame, if we can hold 657 on EMA 26, that would be bullish as well. And we have an inside bar here on the daily that we're watching after we failed that cup and handle. But honestly, I think now's the time where we could see an explosive move on the chart at any time. We could see a new CPG partner. We know that everybody is starting to wake up to HEXO, and they're now #1 in terms of recreational sales. So we could see another explosive move coming, and going to be paying attention here. We're holding the monthly EMAs, and it's a monthly inside bar. So a break above 755 would confirm a monthly inside bar bull break and would also confirm a weekly uptrend. So if we can break 755 from here, that could absolutely happen from a positive earnings reaction as well. And if that were to occur, we would break that monthly inside bar bullish, and then we would have a lack of resistance up until the high here at 1104, and then we have a lack of resistance from there to the all-time highs at 3360 on the monthly chart. So that's going to be my plan. If I'm just basically in a holding pattern right now. So if we close below 640, I'm likely going to trim about 25% of my swing position, and then I'll look to reload cheaper. But I'm a long-term holder, and I have it in a long-term no touch account, and I also have it in a swing account. So I buy and sell a little bit more frequently, just trying to look at the most probable scenario and protect my profits. Like I said, not everybody's circumstances are the same. Not everybody has the same strategy, but that's what works for me. So going to end it there. I'll do another video later on after market close with an update and again, some more insight into next week and what to expect. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth for a HEXO update video, and best of luck into the end of the day. We'll see you a little bit later on after market close.